My name is Dave, and I'm a survivor. I was kind of late in my life that I realized that I had a lot of unfinished business from my childhood. And I lived in a home that was abusive. My foster mother abused me emotionally and physically, and I was sexually assaulted by an older cousin. And it was pretty much repressed for years and years and years, decades. Eventually, I got to a point that I decided there was something in me that was unfulfilled in my life, and I knew what it was almost instantly. It was being truthful about what I'd been through. So I changed my life up. I feel much better about myself. I would never advise somebody to come out and talk unless they felt ready. But when you get ready, I do want to say to you that it is a tremendously powerful and positive force in yourself, in your life, to talk openly about who you fully are. This is my full self, including bad stuff that happened, which I had no fault in. I don't feel shamed anymore for all the things that happened to me, and I'm really happy to be who I am. You want to get to a point where you're really happy being who you are.